Unraveling the Roots, Costa Rica's Afro-Costa Rican heritage. Welcome to another episode of Unraveling the Roots. Today we explore the vibrant Afro-Costa Rican heritage that is woven into the fabric of Costa Rica, a culture richly infused with African influences. From music, dance, cuisine, religion, art, architecture, language, and even the realm of revolutionary figures, Africa's presence is vibrant. Let's start with music and dance. Much like the rest of Central America, Afro-Costa Rican music is deeply rooted in African rhythms. The genre of calypso, with its energetic dances, finds its heart in the province of Limón. The influence of this genre on Costa Rican music is both considerable and transformative, bringing a unique, pulsating vibrancy to the musical landscape. Next, we'll look at the cuisine. Afro-Costa Rican cuisine is a flavorful testament to the country's diverse cultural influences. One such dish is gallo pinto, a delectable blend of rice and beans, a staple in the Afro-Costa Rican diet. However, it's not just the ingredients, but the preparation methods too that hark back to African traditions. Now we'll look at religion. Religious practices amongst Afro-Costa Ricans reflect the syncretism that emerged under colonial rule. African spiritual traditions have merged with Catholic beliefs, leading to unique practices that incorporate African deities or spirits alongside Christian figures. African influences have also shaped the country's art and architecture, from the colorful wooden homes of the Caribbean coast reminiscent of traditional African stilt houses to the vibrant art scene. Artists like Ezequiel Jimenez Rojas celebrate their Afro-Costa Rican heritage, capturing the spirit and experiences of the community through their art. Moving on to language, Limonese Creole or Mecatelu, spoken predominantly in Limón, demonstrates the African influence on the Costa Rican vernacular. This unique blend of English, Spanish, and West African Pidgin creates a linguistic tapestry that is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Afro-Costa Ricans. Let's look at some of the revolutionary figures. Afro-Costa Ricans have played a significant role in shaping the country's history. One such figure is former President José Figueres Ferrer. During his first term in office, he granted Afro-Costa Ricans the right to vote, as well as access to Costa Rican nationality. While most Afro-Costa Rican ties date back to the transatlantic slave trade, theories suggest the existence of pre-Columbian connections between Africa and Central America. The similarities between indigenous and African art forms and construction techniques suggest possible interactions prior to European arrival. So, in conclusion, today's episode of Unraveling the Roots has unearthed the rich Afro-Costa Rican heritage that continues to shape Costa Rica's culture into the modern era. As we continue our journey, we'll keep uncovering the ties that bind the Americas and Africa, offering fascinating insights into the African diaspora's profound influence on the New World. Thank you for watching. Join us in the next episode as we delve deeper into the African diaspora, further unraveling the roots that connect Africa to the Americas.